In this video, I will show you best browser for your Google TV or Android TV that you can use to browse internet without any stress. Let me show you how. All you have to do is to make sure you navigate to app section on your Google TV. From the home page right here, what you need to do is simply navigate to app sections. So once you navigate to app section, simply scroll down right here and make sure you navigate to tools right here. So on getting to tools, you have different tools right here. One of the best browser you can use for your Google TV is this one right here, internet browser. All you have to do is to make sure you click on the internet browser, and then just like so, make sure you download and install this particular app on your Google TV. You can navigate Google Browse with this TV. With this browser, you can navigate Google Search, you can navigate YouTube, you can navigate Instagram, Facebook, Google Play Store, as the case may be. Then the second app I want to recommend for best browser on your Google TV here is that simply go back to the app right here and make sure this particular browser right here, click on browser, and then it's going to load up right here, and then make sure you download and install this browser. This browser also have a lot of features. It allows you to navigate Google right here. It allows you to navigate Instagram, Google Play Store, Short, TikTok, even WhatsApp, Tweak, and then Facebook and DuckDuck browser. YouTube is also here, Bing and Reddit, as the case may be. This browser also allows you to use a smartphone as a remote control from your phone. You can see some of the interface right here. I have been using this browser on my TV right here. You can see this is Google homepage right here. You can simply search for anything right here using this particular browser. You can search for anything on Google Search, as the case may be. Now, let me quickly walk you through on how you can get these two browsers on your Google Smart TV, how you can download them, install them on your Google TV, and start browsing internet on your Google Smart TV without any stress. All you have to do is make sure you go back to the home. I'm going to go back to the home tab. There we can start all over. So just like so. Then from home tab right here, you want to make sure that you look for your Google Play Store. So go ahead and proceed to settings right here. And the next thing you want to do is to click on settings. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here, click on apps. Then scroll down right here, click on see all apps. Then right here, continue to scroll down, Go ahead and click on show system apps. So under the system apps, that is where you can see your Google Play Store. Okay, continue like that, continue like that, until you get to Google Play Store. Click on OK and hit open. And just like so, it's going to take you to your Google Play Store. So what we want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure we search for some of this app right here in our Play Store on our Google TV. So you can easily come down below right here and navigate by category. This is entertainment apps and gaming apps. This is app category. So go to tools under app category right here. Click on tools. Then under the tools, you have all the browser right here. So this is the first one I recommend, internet browser, and this is the second one, which is browser right here. All you have to do is to click on them and run the setup. If you want to get this particular browser, click on it, and then it's going to load up right here. Simply download and install it on your Android Google TV without any stress. After a successful download, click on open and start browse internet for free on your Google Smart TV. Let me know what you think about some of these two best apps for internet browser on your Google TV in the comment section down below. And for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Google TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.